model, 2011 Ford Transit 85 T260s Forward Rear SWB High Roof Genuine Low Mileage MOTD. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 68,129. MOT, the 30th of May 2025. Engine, 2198 cc TDCI 85 PS DURATORQ-C. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and transmission are in good condition and it pulls well through all gears. No lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is in decent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more